The week may not be packed with Black Friday level chaos anymore, but there are still some really solid smartphone deals floating around, especially if you're shopping on Amazon Germany. If you've been holding off on buying a new phone, this might be the perfect time to jump in. Today, we're looking at discounts on the Pixel 10 series, Nothing phone models, the Xiaomi 50T, and a few Samsung and Honor options that stand out. Let's start with Google, because Pixel phones have always been known for offering great features without extreme prices. Right now, the Pixel 10 series is discounted again. The standard Pixel 10 is sitting at 20% off, which is a really good drop for a device that already comes with clean software, strong cameras, and steady performance. If you're looking for a bit more power, the Pixel 10 Pro in its 512GB version is also discounted. And if you want something even bigger, the Pixel 10 Pro XL with 256GB of storage is also available at a lower price than usual. These are strong options if software updates, photography, and reliability are high on your list. Next up, Honor has a surprisingly appealing offer. The Honor 400 is available with 256GB of storage and a huge 500mAh battery for just $149. You'll see it listed at $179, but the important part is the voucher underneath. Apply that voucher and the price drops even further. For the battery size alone, this is a great deal, especially for anyone who wants long endurance without spending much. Moving on to OnePlus. The OnePlus 15 is still very new in the market, so the discounts aren't massive yet. But even then, the 5120GB model is already close to 10% off. It sits just under €1,000, which isn't a huge price cut but is still rare for a brand new flagship. OnePlus fans who enjoy fast performance, smooth software, and premium design might find this appealing, especially if they want a lot of storage. Now let's talk about Nothing. If you want a phone that looks different and offers a fresh take on Android, the Nothing phone lineup is worth a look. And the good news is, all three models are discounted. The Nothing phone, the Phone, and the Phone Pro all have double-digit percentage discounts. Nothing has been building a reputation for clean software, stylish transparent designs, and great value, so these drops make the lineup even more attractive. Whether you want the flagship model or the more affordable versions, you're getting a solid deal. Xiaomi also joins the list with its 50T model. Xiaomi usually focuses on high value for money, and the 50T follows that tradition. While the discount isn't the biggest of the week, it's still worth considering if you prefer a fast device with strong hardware at a lower price compared to its competitors. Samsung, on the other hand, isn't offering many big discounts right now. Still, there are a few notable deals if you look closely. The Galaxy A26 and Galaxy A56 are priced well, offering good mid-range features at reasonable numbers. Last year's Galaxy S24 is also available at a decent discount, which makes it a great option if you want a flagship experience without the current flagship price. But the biggest highlight from Samsung is the Galaxy S25. Both the 128GB and 256GB versions of the S25 are currently available at very attractive prices. These deals are likely to disappear quickly, so if you've been waiting for Samsung's latest model, this might be your best chance to grab it without paying full price. Overall, even though the Black Friday madness is over, there are still plenty of chances to save money on some of the most popular smartphones out there. Whether you want a Pixel for the camera, a Nothing phone for the unique design, a long-lasting Honor device, or a Samsung flagship, Amazon Germany has something worth checking out. Just keep in mind that these deals can vanish fast, so don't wait too long if you see a price that looks good.